Flight Sim Wings. Hybrid Garmin-style dual E5 instrument panel. Flight Sim Wings. Hybrid Garmin-style dual G5 instrument panel elevate your flight simulation experience with the Flight Sim Wings. Analog instrument panel. An accurately crafted solution that combines realism, durability, and advanced functionality. Features and specifications. Premium aluminum face panel. CNC cut for precision, powder-coated for durability, and screen-printed for a professional and polished appearance. Engraved aluminum knobs. High-quality aluminum knobs with precisely engraved letters and symbols for an authentic and long-lasting tactile feel. Integrated USB head. Plug-and-play compatibility ensures smooth integration with your flight simulator setup, delivering seamless performance. Injection molded plastic components includes detailed gauge rings and other elements crafted for durability and a realistic look. Aviation grade precision, designed to replicate the accuracy and feel of real-world analog flight instruments. Designed and assembled in the USA, built with precision and care to meet the highest quality standards. This panel is the perfect addition for aviation enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable and immersive flight simulation instrument solution.